Last class, due to some interruptions, we stopped at the middle. I'm continuing the same thing. This is the fourth class. We are continuing the Fourier series of exponential function. Let me recapitulate. You know, whatever the things we have done so far, you know, cos 0 is what? 1. Cos 180 is equal to minus 1. That means cos pi is equal to minus 1. Cos 2 pi is equal to 0, that is 1. Cos 4 pi, that is equal to cos 3 pi. Cos 3 pi is equal to 2 pi plus pi. 2 pi means one rotation, that is cos pi itself, that is minus 1. Cos 4 pi, 4 pi is equal to cos 2 times 2 pi plus 0. This is one rotation, this become two rotation, that become cos 0, that is plus 1. In general, what do you observe from this? Cos pi, cos 2 pi, cos 3 pi, cos 4 pi. Cos pi is what? Minus 1. Cos 2 pi is plus 1. Cos 3 pi is minus 1. Cos 4 pi is 1. Therefore, cos n pi is equal to minus 1 to the power of n. If n is even, what do you observe? You will get minus 1 if n is odd. When n is odd, this becomes plus 1 when n is even. Therefore, hereafter you have to remember, whenever you write cos n pi is equal to minus 1 to the power of n. Remember always. Again, same way, sin 0, 0, sin 180, that is just pi is equal to 0, sin 2 pi, that is 360 is 0, again 0. In general, sin n pi is always 0. Therefore, sin n pi is always 0. This we know. And last time only I have introduced the formula, that is e to the power of ax sin bx dx. Again, integral of e to the power of ax cos bx dx. This is both are integration by parts they have done. And both are, this is repeating function, this is also repeating function, sin cos are repeating functions. Therefore, there is one standard formula. Is there? What is that? E to the power of ax. Here also you write e to the power of ax. Then write a both the places, because whatever the coefficient under a, the sin is dominant, therefore I have written also here sin bx. Here cos is dominant, this is also cos bx. Then here, what is the next? You write b here, both the places. Here a, b, b, a, b, b. Here sin. Next you write cos bx. Here cos, therefore sin bx. Sin is negative, cos is positive. And divided by r square. Here also divided by r square, where r square is equal to a square plus b square. This is the formula you are supposed to remember. Okay. See now, if you know this, see how to e to power of x cos nx dx. If I write like this, what is a here? Here this converts 1 into x. Here a is what? 1. Here b is n. What is r square? R square is equal to a square plus b square, that is 1 square plus n square, or r square is equal to 1 plus n square. Right? Then again, what you write to, what this is, you know how to calculate r square. Therefore, I will write e to the power of ax is 1 into x itself. R square is what? 1 plus n square. Then a is 1, Therefore, cos, in place of b you write nx, plus in place of b you write nx n sin nx. You understood? Therefore, I put an upper limit, lower limit plus upper limit. This is the constant, you remove and apply upper limit and lower limit. This only I am going to do this. If you know how to do this, and again you are going to use these two formulas to evaluate, and we are getting that. See, last class we have done that function of x, integral of, see, e to f of x is equal to e to power of x. You have to expand the Fourier series. First I am going to calculate what is the Fourier series. F of x is equal to half of a naught plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus integral of n equal to 1 to infinity b n sin of nx. Right? This formula where what is a naught is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x, and a n is equal to 1 by pi, again b n is equal to 1 by pi integral function of x you write as it is minus pi plus pi minus pi plus pi. Here dx, here what, a n is equal to even function, therefore cos nx dx is a even function. This is connected to cos, this is connected to sin, therefore sin nx dx. And now if you write this much, you will be getting, they will be giving you 2 marks first, 2 marks, or maybe 1 mark also, because you are doing in this mathematics. Now we have evaluated last class. Last class what you have evaluated? A naught is equal to 1 by pi integral of the function minus pi plus pi f of x is equal to e to power of x dx. Therefore, e to power of dx to e to power of x, upper limit minus lower limit is 1 by pi. Then 1 by pi, apply e to power of pi minus e to power of minus pi. Then you know this formula, sin hyperbolic x is equal to e to power of x, e to power of minus x by 2, or e to power of x, e to power of minus x is equal to 2 sin hyperbolic x. In place of x what you got? E to power of pi minus e to power of minus pi is equal to 2 sin hyperbolic pi. Right? Therefore, a naught is equal to 1 by pi. Here what? 2 sin hyperbolic pi. Therefore, a naught we have calculated 2 by pi sin hyperbolic pi. See, here a naught, solution for fx for this sum, a naught is equal to 1 by pi sin, we got it. How? See, this calculated sin hyperbolic pi by 2 by 3. See, that value only we got it here. You understood? The next is what? an. Calculation of an, we are using this formula, cos formula. This I will evaluate here. Here an is equal to minus pi plus pi 1 by pi f of x cos nx dx. fx is e to power of x. Then again this formula I am applying. Which one? This is the same formula. See, current went off. It's okay. We have to live with this. Now here integral of e to power of ax cos bx dx is equal to e to power of ax by a square plus b square, that is r square, is not. Therefore a cos is dominant here, cos bx plus b sin bx. This only I am going to apply here. Therefore here a is equal to 1, b is equal to n. Therefore this is equal to 1 by pi integral of minus pi to plus pi e to power of x. Here, sorry, what was the answer? 1 by pi into e to the power of a is what? 1. Therefore e to the power of x pi. This is 1 square plus n square. 1 plus n square, I got it, into a is 1 cos nx, because a is 1, b is what? N. Therefore nx, you get it, plus b is what? N. This is also n. Therefore n sin nx. Therefore upper limit is pi, lower limit is minus pi. This is a constant, it comes out. Therefore 1 by pi 1 plus n square. Therefore e to the power of upper limit is pi cos n pi plus n sin n pi minus e to the power of minus pi, I apply, lower limit I apply, cos n minus pi plus n sin n minus pi. Therefore 1 by pi 1 plus n square e to the power of pi. Here cos n pi is equal to minus 1 to the power of n, sin pi is equal to 0. Therefore here you get minus 1 to the power of n. Okay, this portion minus e to the power of minus pi. Here cos minus theta. Cos minus theta is what? Plus cos theta. Therefore here cos n pi, you will get it. Cos n pi. Cos n pi is equal to, what is the value? Minus 1 to the power of n plus n sin minus theta is what? Minus sin theta. This is 0. N pi is 0. Therefore 0. Therefore pi 1 plus n square e to the power of pi minus 1 to the power of n minus e to the power of minus pi minus 1 to the power of n. Then this is the common factor, you take it. Therefore minus 1 to the power of n pi 1 plus n square e to the power of pi minus e to the power of minus pi. This is as usual what? This is 2 sine hyperbolic pi, as what you have done in this before. Therefore Bn is equal to minus 1 to the power of n 2 sine hyperbolic pi divided by pi 1 plus n square. Now I have evaluated all the 3 values. See, now we are going to do this. F of x is equal to half of a naught plus, in this formula we have to apply, that is again I am recollecting, but don't repeat again here. an cos n x dx plus n equal to 1 infinity bn sin nx dx. See here, see, actually we have calculated an only, therefore an, but here in mistake, by mistake I written bn here. Therefore what we have calculated is what? an. Now we have to calculate the value of Bn. How to calculate the Bn? Bn value is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x sin nx dx. This you have to calculate here. That is 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi e to power of x sin nx dx. Now here again applying the same formula. See, for cos I have done it. For sin, what formula I have to apply? For sin there is a formula. What formula? That is integral of e to power of ax sin bx dx is equal to e to power of ax by a square plus b square you write it here, sin is dominant here, sin bx minus b cos bx. Here what? A is equal to 1, b is equal to n. Here, right? Under the condition, what I do it? Bn is equal to 1 by pi integral of 1 by pi, because after integrating we will get this answer, isn't it? E to the power of a is what? 1, b is n, here 1 square, e to the power of x, 1 into x is x, divided by a is 1, therefore 1 square is 1, b is n square, therefore a is 1, sin b is n, nx, minus b is again n, cos nx. Therefore upper limit pi, my lower limit is minus pi, up to this, it covers this so much. Again, so you have to adjust with the illumination because current went off, but we should not stop our work whatever it happens, right? Here 1 by pi 1 plus n square, I am taking common factor. Upper limit I am doing e to the power of pi into sin n pi minus n cos n pi, okay, minus, put a flower bracket, this is we have taken already, therefore minus e to the power of again minus pi, put a flower bracket, sin n minus pi minus n cos n minus pi. Therefore 1 by pi 1 plus n square e to the power of pi, put a flower bracket, you know cos n pi is 0, n pi is what? Minus 1 to the power of n, don't forget about this n. Therefore what I write, this is 0, I will write it, minus n minus 1 to the power of n minus e to the power of minus pi, put a flower bracket, because sin minus theta is what? Sin minus theta is minus sin theta minus sin n pi. Again this becomes 0, no doubt. Cos minus theta is cos theta only. Therefore here minus n, this is minus 1 to the power of n. Therefore this portion 0 minus n minus 1 to the power of n. Put a bracket. Now I further simplify this, e to the power of pi, this portion let it be as it is, minus I take it out, minus n, minus n, minus 1 to the power of n, minus e to the power of minus pi. Here minus to minus plus it becomes n minus 1 to the power of n. This much portion. Again what? Minus n and e minus 1 to the power of n is common. Therefore, this I will take it minus, not minus, just I will n, I am taking it out, minus 1 to the power of n I have taken, divided by pi 1 plus n square. Here what you get? Minus e to the power of pi plus e to the power of minus pi. But keep the coefficient of this positive. I am taking further this side minus. If I take minus, what you get? Here I will write in the next page. Therefore, this is what Bn. Therefore, Bn is equal to minus n, minus I am taking it out, minus 1 to the power of n divided by pi 1 plus n square e to the power of pi minus e to the power of minus pi. As usual, this is what? 2 sine hyperbolic pi. Therefore, Bn is equal to minus n minus 1 to the power of n pi 1 plus n square 2 sine hyperbolic pi. See, you have to be very, very careful in doing all this. I got Bn. What is An? Below that, you write An. We have worked it out in the paper. See, An minus 1 to the power of n 2 sine hyperbolic pi by pi 1 plus n square. Then again A naught is equal to 2 by pi sine hyperbolic pi. All these things you have taken. Then this you have to substitute in our this equation. Therefore, f of x is equal to half A naught is what? 2 by pi sine h pi. The 2 to get cancelled. Plus sigma n equal to 1 infinity. What is An? An is substitute here. Minus 1 to the power of n 2 sine hyperbolic pi by this quantity pi 1 plus n square. That is I substituted, but you have to put cos also here. Therefore, cos nx plus sigma n equal to 1 infinity Bn is how much? What is it not? Bn is substitute here. Bn is minus just n minus 1 to the power of n divided by pi 1 plus n square. Again here what? 2 sine hyperbolic pi into what? An is it? Into sine nx. Therefore, sine nx. See, when you look into this, here separately I will write fx again properly. Fx sine h pi by pi is common factor. See, it is a common factor here as well as here as well as here. Therefore, I have taken common factor. Therefore, if I take common factor here, what? 1 only will be there. 1 plus. In these two things, sigma is a common factor. 1 plus n square is a common factor, right? Therefore, 1 by 1 plus n square is a common factor. these things. Again sigma, okay, sigma and here sigma is a common factor, n equal to 1 to infinity even sin hyper here, this already we have taken already, therefore even 2 is also common, no? 2 you can take it out, 2 is also can take it within this, therefore cos n x minus n sin nx. See, you got the final answer. Therefore what? You have got about, maybe they may ask for 8 marks, they'll ask you. How? Writing the formula, 1 mark, coefficients, 1 mark, that is 2 mark. Now calculation of A naught, 1 mark. Then again what? Calculation of AN, 2 mark. BN, 2 mark. How much? 2, 6, 7 marks you have done. Then final result, final expression, no? That is 1 mark. Again I'll tell you, statement of Fourier series, 1 mark. Fourier coefficient, 1 mark. Then calculation of A naught, 1 mark. Calculation of AN, 2 mark. Calculation of BN, 2 mark. Totally. Then finally substituting that final result after this, that is 1 mark. Remember, this you have to finish in about 10 minutes it will take for you to do it without disturbed mind. Who knows, the same problem they may ask in mathematics also, right? Therefore, please go through this. You have successfully done one sum. And where are the, you may ask, sir, where are the place they will use all this? Just a minute.
Let us also create an axis that represents the angle theta. The green line rotates.
See, this is an x-axis and y-axis. X and y-axis are there. See, this is an x-axis, this is an y-axis. Theta is going like this. Look, I will do that. This is what x-axis, y-axis. And theta is changing with respect to time. Okay, just
find the angle theta. For each value of theta, the x-coordinate represents the cosine of theta, and the y-coordinate represents the sine of theta. The angle theta can range anywhere between negative infinity.
Look here, what you observe here? Here one wave, one wave, and just I'll go through this. See here, one sine wave, we got it. This is 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360 like this. This is one rotation, just right.
And positive infinity. This two-dimensional pattern is what we refer to as a sine wave.
Look here, this is one complete wave, one sine wave. Can you follow? This is one sine wave, and 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. This is one complete rotation, right? X-axis and Y-axis. Okay, its amplitude is say, what is this amplitude? Say 10. And the wavelength is so much big. About this wavelength is equal to 30 centimeter. But I am not changing the wavelength, but I want to reduce the height, amplitude. Let us see how it happens. You see.
We can change the sine wave's amplitude. Phase. And frequency.
See, frequency, theta by 2. Slowly it is going, right? Originally, so much, now it's different now.
Suppose we have two sine waves that
Here
are
one wave, another
identical
one wave.
except for the fact that they have different amplitudes.
This amplitude is 10, this amplitude is 12. Both are
If we
stick together.
add these two sine waves together,
They are together.
the result can be represented graphically as shown.
See, these two, they are adding together, it looks like this, right? Original wave, 3/4 and 1/4.
Now, suppose that the two sine waves also have different phases.
Looks. What is 60 degree? It is tilted here.
The sum of these two waveforms
60
can
degree.
be represented graphically like this.
See, it is tilted by 60 degree here. This one.
So long as the two sine waves have the same frequency, their sum will always be another sine wave
Both
of
are
the
sine
exact
wave.
same frequency, but with a different amplitude and phase. Now, suppose that the two sine waves also have a different frequency.
See, this slowly moving, this is going fast. So fast it is moving. But length is small, right? Father and son, like that it is. It is like this earth, moon. Then example, right? Earth is moving in one forward
If we
direction.
add together sine waves of different frequencies, then the resultant waveform is no longer a sine wave.
ನೋಡಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮ್ see here two sine waves of different frequencies. It will not look like a sine wave. See example, even chemistry. Hydrogen is having one character. Oxygen has a different character. When they join together, water, it is an entirely different character. Sodium, you take it, very poisonous. Chloride also poisonous. When they join together, it gives sodium chloride. It is not the poisonous. The same way, it is entirely different. Two things. ಸಾಂಬಾರ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಸಿಬೇಳೆ ಬರೋ ಥರ. New thing you are doing it. See, this is a different wave pattern. This is made up of two sine wave. Got it? Okay, look into this further. See, father, son. This group gives different. If you add these two, higher frequency, very lower frequency, see 3 times of that, you're getting this.
We can add together 3 sine waves.
Look, as I keep on adding, what happens? 3 times, this is 5 times. This is grandfather, father, and grandchild. See, this combination looks a different way.
We can add together 4 sine waves.
Lot. See, grandparent, parent, children's.
We can add together 5 sine waves.
See, all sine only you have added, fully you have added, it looks like a square. I have not added cos. Only sine we have taken. See. See the result and how it looks? A rectangular wave, is it not? Only sine. Keep on adding all sine. Rectangle.
In fact, we can add together an infinite number of sine waves.
See, I keep adding. If I add, shape changes. See how? Rectangular wave you are getting. If you want to form a rectangular wave, choose only sine waves together of different frequency. If I want square waves, that is different. If you want a rectangular, you take different. See now almost you get what? A rectangular wave. See what is happening. Here it becomes thicker and thicker.
Here,
See?
by adding together an infinite number of sine waves, we have produced a pattern that looks like this.
See, you want, now this particular problem we'll do it in the next class. Right? See, what is the use of this? You may think. Here, if you want a square wave, you want a rectangular wave, use sine. If you want a triangle wave, use the different functions. That we will do in the next class. The next class we are going to do this -1 and +1. For one sum we have struggled so much. See, only one sum we have taken. From there we have struggled so much. This for 8 marks. Other sums are all easy. See, learning the first sum it take 1 or 2 hours. The subsequent sums it will take only 10 or 15 minutes. Okay. See, why we have to learn? Where do you use? In fact, Newton, apple fall on his, Newton said, if we were there, we will eat it. But he have not eaten it. And he thought he got the law of gravitation. Like Corona period, he also he was staying in his house 2-3 months. That time he used to think, what about this Fourier? When they are poured porridge in his big plate, he want to wonder about this heat conduction.